Hi everybody, welcome again to Cooking with Convection. I'm Lynn Becker for Tiffin Motorhomes, and today, as you can see, once again, we're in that beautiful 2020 model of the Allegro bus, the 40 IP. It is so amazing. I love cooking in this space. Our recipe today has been voted by the crew as the best in the entire video cooking series. I hope you agree. It's oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And as we start, I'll just let you know that the base of most all of my cookie recipes is the Nestle Toll House cookie recipe. If you follow the instructions correctly, your cookies will turn out perfectly every single time. Here's how we start. You need 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter. And hear me when I say it must be softened to room temperature. If not, these first few ingredients will not cream together correctly. 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar. Then you need 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Use your hand mixer and really mix these ingredients well until they're nice and creamy and fluffy. As you move forward, you want to add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. And I will say that when I make cookies, I do prefer all-purpose flour over self-rising, because when you add the baking soda and the salt into the mixture, it really makes the perfect combination and your cookies will turn out wonderful. You also need 1 cup of rolled oats. That's my extra ingredient to the recipe. 1 cup of walnuts, and 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. How do you make cookies turn out perfectly round and the same size every time? Secret weapon. It's an ice cream scoop, and it works perfectly every time. Here's another great tip. I like to lightly spray my scoop with cooking spray. That means none of the dough is going to stick in the scoop itself, and it makes it a lot easier. You want just a nice, even scoopful. And I will say, if I'm cooking in a regular oven, I use a larger pan, and I like to make my cookies just as big as my fist. But since we're cooking in a smaller convection oven and I'm using a smaller pan, I'm just going to use an even scoop, and I'm going to space them out well. I'm only going to put 5 or 6 on the pan because I want to make sure each cookie has its own personal baking space. And before they go into the oven, I've got one more little tip for you. I like to just lightly press with my fingers so that each cookie is a little bit flatter. You'll see that this will make your cookies come out just the way you want. Now they're ready to go into the oven. We always say, don't forget convection. We're cooking at 375 degrees today for 15 minutes. And that's it. I've actually got a few we've been working on. They are beautiful. And let's taste one. Why not? I need a big glass of milk. So perfect. Nice and crispy, but still tender and soft on the inside. And when the chocolate chips are still kind of warm and melty, there is nothing better. Everyone in your family is going to love this recipe, and I hope you try it today. Join us next time on Cooking with Convection. I'm Lynn Becker for Tiffin Motorhomes.